Mueller State Park in Colorado.
I am here at Mueller State Park. Here, we're going hiking here. I'll give you a glimpse of Mueller State Park. We're going hiking. It's freezing cold. If you like to hike and if you like nature, you should come here at Mueller State Park in Colorado. Here's one of the trail that we're hiking right now. It is windy, so it's kind of freezing cold. Look at the beautiful trees. The color of the beautiful trees are so yellow, golden. Look.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Order for me to go for an adventure all by myself. I know this isn't easy. I'm still scared to go for an adventure all by myself, but I really want to do it. One day, I'll gather all the courage in the world so that I can do. Hopefully someday, I will gather the courage to go for an adventure all by myself alone. And of course, I'm gonna share it to you, all of you. For now, I'm not that confident to go for an adventure all by myself. As you see, I'm with Rhea. So usually, but guys, I'm really going to go on an adventure or hiking all by myself. As in alone, I really want to do that. If it happen, I don't know yet. I'm not that brave yet. I'm still scared to go for an adventure alone like this. So it's kind of challenging for me. one day. I'm so jealous of everyone who can go for an adventure alone. For me, it's really jealous. I don't know if I can see like this. Going to adventure alone like this is scary. I think it's scary. I'm so brave. I wanted to. Try it first. So, ano yung sila yung may-ari niya? And I have jacket because I know it's in the mountains, so it's gonna be cold. So if you come hiking here, you should be prepared. You should bring like hat or jacket because you never know it's gonna be freezing cold. Especially if it's windy, it's really cold here up in the mountain. So guys, it's ready to go hiking during
It is very pretty here. It is very relaxing to sit down here. I have a beautiful view of the surroundings. We are now climbing up. I'm breathing hard. Hinahangos na ako. Kasi paakyat na kami. Ayan. I'm out of breath because we're climbing up. And it's getting cold because it's windy again. Malamig na naman mga bes kasi mahangin tsaka walang araw. At tsaka hinihingal ako kasi paakyat na kami. Alright, I think we're almost at the parking area. It's getting hot, so I took up my jacket. It's really hot. It's warm. Yan, we're climbing up na. Pictures. We're almost there, I think. Hopefully. So apparently we're not back at the parking area yet. So hopefully we're not lost. So we're not back in the parking lot yet. We don't know if we're lost or we're heading in the right direction. So hopefully we're heading to the right direction. So I don't know where we are or we're heading towards the right direction to back to the parking lot. That's why I don't go adventure alone because that is why I don't go adventure alone because I'm afraid to get lost like this. Like what happened now. Well, it is definitely an adventure because we don't know where we are or are we heading the right way and we are lost. The weather here is weather lang mga bes because it is hot, it is warm, it is cold, it is freezing cold. That's why you need to be well. It's not scary to get lost here because there are lots of people. We can see a lot of people here walking, hiking. So no worries if we're lost because it's not scary here because it's not small. So we meet a lot of people hiking this trail, so it's not scary if we are lost. To get lost in this kind of trail is not scary at all because you can see a lot of people hiking also. But back in the woods, look, it is so pretty here. So it is it's okay to get lost if you have a view like this. look at the beautiful view of the trees. Enjoy! It is so pretty. So I'm showing you the beautiful view of the trees, the autumn trees. Look, it is so pretty in here. Oh my goodness, the view here is amazing. It's over the pretty view. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness, mga best. It is very pretty here. Look. Look at the view. Amazing. Oh my goodness, mga best. It is very pretty here. Look. 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 It is. I am under the yellow trees. Behold the beauty of yellow leaves, of the beauty of autumn season. We didn't end up at the parking lot where we came from, but thank goodness we end up at the parking lot at the visitor center. Wala ka nindot. Oh. Look, the beauty of autumn. Oh my gosh. It is really pretty. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.